Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful Semmozhi Poonga. This is the entrance. So the entrance ticket is 75 rupees and you enter the beautiful park from here. As you can see, surrounded by nature on all sides. It's very, very beautiful indeed. Right in the lap of nature. You can start by this beautiful clock. Then they have the children's playing area towards that side. Surrounded, like I said, in the lap of nature here in the beautiful, magnificent city of Chennai. You can see the beautiful, beautiful flowers all around. How colorful and vibrant they look. Walking down the same path, exploring as much as I can of this beautiful place. So beautiful. Look at this. As you can see, there's gardens and flowers all the way around, which makes it look very magical and beautiful. So like you're surrounded in the lap of nature. Have a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We are under this giant tree. As you can see, they're beautiful, lovely decorations as well all over. Here's this one's in the shape of a ice cream cone, donut. And here it is a kettle serving you tea or coffee, preferably in this part of India. Look at this magnanimous tree. How beautiful it is. We are just surrounded in the lap of nature. In terms of the location, this is bang near or opposite Anna flyover. The entrance ticket is 75 rupees, which is valid for a time period of 2 hours, where you can explore this beautiful park, which is in the lap of nature. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood. Which path should I take? Let's go this way. Alright, let's go and see. Wow, look at these trees. Each tree's size is just magnanimous. As you can see, the intricate designing that is being done as well. Here, this is a train, toy train, and this is a car. So beautiful. feels good to be surrounded in the lap of nature. We have like a seating area. They must be having some kind of show. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It's like you're sitting in the lap of nature. Trees and trees all around. How beautiful. As the elephant, that's the ancient woolly mammoth elephant. Wow, how beautiful is this place. As you can see, there's a seating area there also. Small man-made bridge for us to cross, walk through, where there's no water. There's the Anna bridge, the Anna flyover in the background. So beautiful. Look at this second man-made bridge. Even though there's no water, but it's a very good initiative. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Just walking down. Yes, yes.
Please don't involve.
No, don't worry. I'll edit it.
Okay.
Thank you. Beautiful peacock. Another bridge. We are coming towards a little small, what we call in Tamil, Chinna, man-made lake. Walking in and around this beautiful place. Have a look. Some swans spotted. Taking shelter in this beautiful man-made lake. Man-made, completely man-made. But it's beautiful nonetheless. Even though it's a very hot day today, 32 degrees Celsius, but being here in the lap of nature makes you feel nice and cool and composed. This is where the water comes from. Right there, that's the source from where the water is filled. Just beautiful, surrounded in the lap of nature. How can you miss this out? I mean, this is so magical. Truly magical indeed. Nature lovers will definitely love this video that I'm going to upload. That side already shown. Even though they give you 2 hours to come here and like chill, you can explore this full entire space within a span of half an hour. Yeah. Going back to where I came from. Signing off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Wish you a happy Easter. Have a safe, blessed and good day. Cheers and God bless from the wonderful, magnificent, prolific and beautiful city of Chennai. God bless.